Hello Hoover Kindergarten, this is Mr. Hain, the art teacher. I made this video to kind of show you guys a little bit about art and the way that I teach it at Hoover. This way, unfortunately, because of everything going on, I've been kind of just doing our videos, though I try to keep this set up very similar to what I do in the classroom. Next year when you guys come to see me in the art room, you'll have your seats, we'll come in each day. I will show you on my screen pictures of the artwork that we're going to make, different artists, talk about all of those ideas. Then I'll bring you around my table where I actually show you how to draw or paint our project. So the video clips are kind of that portion of art class. I'm going to bring you in here. I show you on my paper here what it is that we're going to make. Okay, and you can kind of follow along and pause the video as you go. I'm going to show you today a very simple flower drawing. Okay, so I'm going to start with a pencil, and then I'm going to use a Sharpie to outline it. Of course, you can use a black Crayola marker as well. And then coloring it in, you can pick crayons, markers, whatever you want. Okay? All right, let's get started. Bring you in here. Okay. So on this paper, I'm going to draw a really simple flower, and there's just a dozen different ways you could draw them, but just one that I think works out pretty well. So when I start this, what I'm going to do is start lightly. I'm going to make a circle for the center. Okay, I can make it a little darker so you guys can see it. Now, I think the hardest thing we make flowers is trying to get the petals kind of even around the circle. So one way that we can do this is make the center of the petals first. So I'm just going to draw kind of a curved line for one here. One here, one here, one here. And you can look and see, okay, so I have 5, but I probably could fit a 6th one in here, maybe even another one here and here. Okay, so those are going to be the center of my petals. Now what I can do is just draw the edges of them. And they can be rounded or pointed. I'm going to make these pointed. So I'm going to start up here a little bit further away than the line. And just kind of make my petals curve back. Now, some of them, this one now is behind this one. So this one's in front. They're going to kind of go a little bit like that as we go. You can change it up. Okay. Then from here, you can actually add, if you feel like you're missing a spot, there's one. Draw our stem that's going to come down. I like to make it curve just a little bit. Then here I'm going to make a line for the first leaf. Then very similar to our petals, I have my flower that's here. Then I'm going to take my black marker, if it's Sharpie, or if it's Crayola, just outline it. Now what I say in my videos, and I try to tell the students who come to me in the art room, is our pencil is just our guide when we're going to use our Sharpie or a marker. So if you want to add things or change a line, you can certainly do that right with your Sharpie. But remember, once you put your marker down, it's permanent. So outline everything very nice and neatly. Okay, do the stem, make mine rounded at the bottom. And there we go. We have a really simple flower. From here, I would take my time and I would erase any pencil lines that are visible. And that's the nice part about Sharpie, is that the black marker won't smear or anything when you go to erase it. Then I would be ready to color it in. Okay? Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I will see you guys when we come back to Hoover. Bye.